Well, we could talk about, say, how easy it is for people to get, like, say, who want to make videos for YouTube, like how they can get on YouTube more cheaply. It's because they have cameras that are affordable, and we're talking about these low price cameras. Figure cheapest ones, like say $30. This is like off Newegg's website now. Sure, look at the various that sell too, like Best Buy. Cheapest ones I got so far, $29.99. And these prices are current as of 10/16 in the evening, 29th of July. I figure you can find such cheap, affordable video cameras like, say, Best Buy, Walmart. The cheapest ones Walmart currently has for sale. These Apex, $49. It even says it provides free shipping to your house. But I'm not gonna go that. But that'd be, to me, buying something from Apex would be like going backwards. Oh, I did not. Here's the cheapest camcorders. Like around $40. And sure, Circuit City may be out of bit, may not have any stores operating, but Circuit City is operating as an online operation. And then look at Staples, sell office supplies. Sure, the cheapest one they got is $60. $60. Maybe look at Target. $50 for the cheapest ones, and it just goes up. Sure, Circuit City. That $100 underwater cameras. But if I'm gonna buy a camcorder capable of videotaping underwater, I'll spend the extra. I'll save the extra money. And look at Radio Shack. Yeah, for $40 camera. For something manufactured by Polaroid. When you do buy video cameras, or whatever, if you want, one thing you gotta incorporate is reviews. Even there's a website. This is especially a website never heard of. Fingerhut. Cheapest camcorder they got, $60. Quality's probably no different than the Mustech DV316L I used to use before I got this Kodak. I figure Fingerhut's like some specialty. You probably say it's only online or catalog. I wouldn't buy anything from Fingerhut. I get better deals at Best Buy or Walmart or whatever, Newegg. Instead, or try this Retail Office Max. Cheapest video camera they got, cheapest camcorder they got for sale. Say it's only standard definition. Run 640 by 480. $50. Even try cheapest cameras sold at Office Depot, though I could care less about them. I don't shop there. I don't see any intentions to shop there anyway. Look at the cheapest prices there. $50 for a camera made by Kobe. I thought if I buy a video camera, I'm just gonna be very picky and look for quality. And sure try Staples. They might offer video cameras too. Digital camcorders and shit. I'm sure you could buy digital cameras too. Yeah, but figure Staples. I did buy stuff from Staples in the past. Like recordable CDs. Even bought 100 feet of computer network cable. So we can rig up two computer separate ends of the house. That only cost me, say, this is probably years, like say 4 years ago. Cost some good money right there, but at least it got done. At least it was done anyway. With the advent of affordable video cameras, I figure cameras made by Polaroid, like. You gotta remember, if you buy these low price video cameras, one thing you're not gonna see much of is quality. That's one thing that's gonna probably lack with low cost video cameras. This is proof that's from say figure Newegg, and then if you check their websites, you pretty much figure it out. This proves that people can get on YouTube. They have the money, if say, without having to spend as much money. I figure first length of video, it's pretty much worth it. At least this video does prove a point.